Forming an S corporation in Georgia can provide significant tax advantages while protecting your personal assets. If you're a business owner looking to optimize your tax situation while maintaining liability protection, an S corp might be the right choice for you. A Georgia S corporation is a regular corporation that has elected special tax status with the IRS. This structure combines the limited liability protection of a corporation with the pass-through taxation benefits typically associated with partnerships or sole proprietorships. Instead of the business paying income taxes directly, profits and losses pass through to shareholders, who report them on their personal tax returns. One of the primary advantages of forming an S corporation in Georgia is asset protection. If your business faces legal action or accumulates debt, your personal assets remain protected. Shareholders are only at risk for what they've invested in the company. This protection extends to legal judgments against the business. S corporations also offer business continuity. Unlike sole proprietorships or partnerships that may dissolve when an owner leaves or passes away, S corp can continue operating seamlessly. This structure also facilitates ownership transfers through stock offerings with minimal operational disruption. The tax benefits of S corps are particularly attractive to many Georgia business owners. S corporations avoid double taxation since profits aren't taxed at both the corporate and individual levels. Additionally, S corp status can potentially reduce self-employment taxes. As an owner-employee, you can receive income both as a reasonable salary and as distributions. While your salary is subject to payroll taxes, distributions are not subject to self-employment tax, potentially resulting in significant tax savings. Georgia follows federal tax treatment for S corporations. While your business won't pay federal income tax at the corporate level, you'll still need to file Georgia Form 600S annually. The state recognizes your federal S corporation election automatically with no additional state-level election required. To qualify for S corporation status, your business must meet several eligibility requirements. You must be a domestic corporation or LLC with only allowable shareholders, including individuals, certain trusts, and estates. Your business cannot have more than 100 shareholders, all of whom must be United States citizens or resident aliens. Only one class of stock is permitted, though voting rights may vary. Certain types of businesses, like financial institutions or insurance companies, are ineligible. The process of forming an S corporation in Georgia involves several key steps. First, you must establish a regular corporation by filing articles of incorporation with the Georgia Secretary of State. This requires a unique business name, a registered agent with a physical address in Georgia, and payment of the $100 filing fee. After incorporating, you'll need to obtain an employer identification number from the IRS. Then file IRS Form 2553 to elect S corporation status. This form must be submitted within 75 days of incorporation or by March 15th of the tax year in which you want the election to take effect. All shareholders must sign this form. While not legally required, creating corporate bylaws is essential for establishing internal governance procedures. You should also hold an organizational meeting to adopt these bylaws, appoint officers, and authorize stock issuance. Document everything in meeting minutes and issue stock certificates to formalize shareholder ownership. Ongoing compliance is crucial for maintaining your S corp status. File your Georgia annual registration by April 1st each year with a $50 fee. Hold regular shareholder and board meetings, maintain accurate corporate records, and stay current with all state taxes and licensing requirements. Business owners often make several common mistakes when forming S corporations. Missing the IRS filing deadline for Form 2553 can delay or deny your S corp status. Failing to pay yourself a reasonable salary as a shareholder employee may trigger IRS scrutiny and penalties. Poor record keeping, exceeding shareholder limits, or allowing ineligible entities to become shareholders can also jeopardize your S corp status. Many business owners wonder about the difference between an LLC and an S corporation. While both offer liability protection, they differ in taxation. By default, all LLC profits are subject to self-employment taxes. However, an LLC can elect to be taxed as an S corporation, allowing owners to receive part of their income as salary and part as distributions not subject to self-employment tax. The timeline for forming an S corp in Georgia varies. Filing articles of incorporation typically takes 5 to 15 business days, while the IRS response to Form 2553 can take up to 60 days. You'll also need to check with your local municipality about business license requirements, as Georgia does not issue a general statewide business license. If you miss the S corporation election deadline, your S corp status will begin in the following tax year unless you qualify for late election relief from the IRS. Single-member LLCs can elect S corp status while maintaining their limited liability protection. Forming an S corporation in Georgia offers valuable benefits for many business owners, from tax advantages to asset protection. By understanding the requirements and following the proper procedures, you can establish an S corp that supports your business goals while optimizing your tax situation.